Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Aerogarden is probably one of the most innovative indoor gardening systems available, allowing you to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round, regardless of the weather outside. With its self-watering and nutrient delivery system, the Aerogarden simplifies the gardening process, making it accessible even for those with no prior experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Aerogarden, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Aerogarden 9-Pod Grow Anything Seed Pod Kit. With this kit, you can cultivate your preferred seeds in the Aerogarden. It allows you to nurture your plants until they mature, ready for harvest or transplanting. The kit includes everything you need to start growing. It comes with grow sponges, baskets, and labels, along with specially formulated liquid nutrients. This kit is designed for all Aerogarden models. It also comes with a growing guide that provides step-by-step instructions to help you along the way. You can harvest directly from the Aerogarden. Alternatively, transplant the seedlings outdoors when the weather is suitable. Please note that seeds are not included with this kit. You can choose your own seeds to grow your favorite plants. What we like. This kit lets you choose exactly what you want to grow. You can start your favorite plants indoors and then move them outside when the weather is right. If you love the flexibility of growing your own unique selection of plants, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The basil is sort of amazing how fast it grows and how heavy the leaves are. You can also use your own seeds and buy the pods with no seed in it. These have worked well for most of our own seeds. It's nice to choose specific varieties to grow. Number 4. Aerogarden Salsa Garden 9-Pod Seed Kit. This Aerogarden seed pod kit comes with a guarantee. If a seed pod doesn't germinate within 3 weeks, they will send you a replacement. You can start growing with confidence. The seeds are non-GMO, and there are no herbicides or pesticides used. You can harvest fresh herbs directly from the plant to use in your favorite recipes. It's a great way to enjoy fresh ingredients. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a bottle of liquid nutrients and a growing guide with step-by-step instructions. It's easy to set up and use. The kit includes a Salsa Garden seed kit. It has 5 pre-seeded red heirloom cherry tomato pods and 4 pre-seeded jalapeno pepper grow pods. You can grow your own salsa ingredients. This seed kit is designed to work with any Aerogarden model. It's a versatile option for anyone who wants to grow their own herbs and vegetables. It's easy to get started. What we like. This kit offers a guarantee, ensuring your seeds will sprout. It uses non-GMO seeds, so you can be sure of what you're eating. If you're looking for a convenient way to grow fresh herbs for your favorite salsa recipes, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The tomato sprouts very quickly with little leaves in a few days. If you plan to replant, make sure you're getting into the bottom space and keeping the roots under control. Plants are already 2 inches tall and growing strong. Number 3. Aerogarden Bounty Basic Indoor Garden. This indoor garden simplifies growing herbs, vegetables, and flowers. It takes care of the details, so you can enjoy fresh produce with minimal effort. The built-in timer ensures the lights turn on and off automatically. The digital screen keeps you informed about your garden's progress and reminds you when to add water and plant food. You can cultivate up to 9 different plant varieties simultaneously. It provides everything your plants need to thrive, right in your home. The new design includes a larger water bowl and grow deck. This allows the product to provide a better growing environment for your plants. The 30W LED grow light provides the full spectrum of sunlight. This helps your plants grow up to 5 times faster than in an outdoor garden. Going away. Vacation mode keeps your plants healthy while you're out of town. It ensures your plants continue to thrive even when you're not there. What we like. This indoor garden takes care of itself with an automatic timer and digital display. It also has a vacation mode, so your plants stay healthy while you're away. If you have a busy lifestyle or travel frequently, this garden will keep your plants thriving with minimal effort. What people say. The Aerogarden has quickly become one of my favorite purchases. It arrived well packaged, was simple to set up, and the directions were so clear that I had it running in under 10 minutes. The pre-filled seed pods sprouted beautifully, and I've been using this system for over 2 years without any issues. It's set up quickly and I really like the new info screen. It has the time, the water level, what garden choice, how many days planted and how many until feed time. The light can go up to 2 feet, and comes with a little trellis to support larger plants. The seeds have sprouted very quickly in this garden, and I look forward to growing some mini tomato and cucumber plants that are too big for my smaller gardens. Number 2. INBLOOM 7-Pod Fruit Seed Pod Kit. This kit has everything you need to start your own indoor herb garden. It includes 7 types of organic fruit seeds, growing sponges, baskets, domes, labels, and plant food. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. These plant pods are compatible with various hydroponic grow systems. You can easily use it with your existing setup. It's also great for replanting when the roots are fully grown. All of the seeds are grown and packaged in the USA. They are organic, heirloom, and GMO-free. You can easily plant and harvest fresh fruits in your home with its high germination rates. The kit includes a variety of fruits such as strawberry, radish, dwarf pea, green pepper, cucumber, ruby queen beet, and golden cherry tomato. You'll have a diverse and delicious harvest. The grow baskets are reusable and made from high-quality ABS materials. The grow sponges provide nutrients, balanced pH, and excellent air porosity. They are made of natural and biodegradable peat. Grow fresh plants all year round and harvest fruits for your favorite recipes. It's a great gift for family and friends, perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Christmas. If any seed doesn't sprout within 2 weeks, we'll send you a replacement kit. We are confident in the quality of our seeds and products, so you can grow with confidence and enjoy a wonderful gardening experience. We are here to support you. What we like. This kit is compatible with many hydroponic systems and includes a variety of organic fruit seeds. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. If you're looking to grow a diverse selection of fruits indoors, this kit offers a great starting point. What people say. Everything sprouted and is growing like crazy. Tomatoes are getting flowers after 35 days planted and the basil is producing like mad and has a very strong, in a good way, flavor. We bought one of those hydroponic garden things a couple of years ago and enjoyed having all the fresh veggies year-round. This time we bought the variety with assorted peppers, tomatoes and cucumbers. There are 7 different kinds of seeds, along with the grow cones, domes, plant food and all the rest. I love that the little garden can fit right on the kitchen counter and we can monitor the growth rate of our plants. It is easy to get the seed started and it is a lot of fun to watch the progress of our plants. This would make a great gift for just about any hydroponic enthusiast. These seeds are great. We had seedlings in a week. Number 1. INBLOOM Aerogarden Fruit Seed Pod Kit. Tired of store-bought fruits? This kit allows you to grow your own strawberries and tomatoes indoors. It's a convenient way to enjoy fresh produce right from your home. This seed pod kit is compatible with various hydroponic systems, including Aerogarden and others. It provides everything you need to start growing, making it easy for anyone to get started. With a germination rate exceeding 90%, you'll see results quickly. The kit includes easy-to-follow guides, making the planting process simple and enjoyable, regardless of your experience. The seeds are non-GMO, ensuring quality and safety. You can enjoy the natural flavors of your own grown fruits, knowing they are grown indoors with care. The kit includes a variety of seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, stickers, and plant food. It offers a diverse selection of flavors, creating a colorful and flavorful garden. Customer satisfaction is a priority. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you throughout your gardening journey. What we like. This kit boasts a high germination rate, ensuring a successful harvest. It uses non-GMO seeds, so you can be sure of what you're eating. If you're looking for a reliable and easy way to grow delicious fruits indoors, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The tomato seeds performed very well, with healthy sprouts reaching 5 to 6 inches in about a month. Baby lettuce also grew quickly and added a nice touch to our indoor garden. Growing my own fresh salad greens has never been this easy or enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.